Today we are going to a location where the scenery, the mountains, and the lake was breathtaking beautiful. Let's go! Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. This is East Canyon Reservoir, a 608-acre lake sitting in East Canyon State Park in the Wasatch Mountains and is a favorite destination for beachgoers in the summer and snow lovers in the winter. East Canyon Reservoir is a popular destination during summer where the water temperature can get in the high 60s, perfect for those who want to cool off on a hot summer day. You can do boating, fishing, paddleboarding, canoeing, or kayaking. You can bring your own watercraft or rent one for one day from the park. This area also holds a bit of history. You can explore the nearby Mormon Pioneer Trail. This was the route taken by Mormons traveling by foot more than 1,300 miles from Illinois to Utah. We stop here for a rest from our road trip around the canyon. We spent a couple hours to enjoy the reservoir. We just relax by the water and sit on the big rocks as we enjoy the surrounding mountains views. This location, the scenery, the mountains, and the lake was breathtakingly beautiful. It is a great place to take your family. We had a wonderful time, perfect for kids to play in the water. I enjoy this lake especially it offers nice scenery of nature. East Canyon Reservoir is another destination that I would add to your list. Get up there, you'll love it just like I did. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!